Ay, ay, ay. Stupid mystery bag, help me.
Say back, back. Say back, back.
Ich. Ja, goed zeg.
My foot is caught. Ma?
Ma?
Your hair's messed up. I'm trying to fix your hair.
Ma zegt bulbul.
You don't have one. You're a doll. There, see it go on the screen. There's Dora. This is one of Lily's presents she got for her 3rd birthday. It's not her 3rd birthday yet, but her 3rd birthday is in about a week. But she got an early one because her daycare went on strike. Visa went on strike. She was home. She was home today. Today is February the 22nd, I think. 2011. Which means yesterday was the anniversary to me being in the country for 4 years. 4 years. Lo. We're not teaching her such things.
Right here.
Yeah.
Hey, Priscilla.
How, white man? How? Queen asshole. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye bye. Bye bye.
The doll is almost the size of her when it stands straight up. I put it in comparison to Lior, and Lior's bigger than the doll, but just by a little bit. It comes up to her chest, that's for sure. It's funny when his hair gets messed up like that. Lily, down.
Oh.
Lily, Lily.
Get down.
Can you make her get down? Oi.
Yeah, that's the way too.
Oi, she just hit her head on the corner. Oi, oi, oi. She hurt herself. I can see myself in the mirror. Hello! Look, I'm on a video. I seem to be the only one that films. Careful, honey, you're going to hit your head again. Bye-bye.
Bye. Ang baca. Dia gue siap baca. Dia kisah. Gemas? Gemas. Gemas. Gemas.
That's classic. We just got this for Lily the other day. It's got 5 drawers. One's on the floor. But it's nice.
Happy birthday!
Separates.
Oh. Thank you for
Separates
sticking your
your
butt
stuff.
in my eyes.
That wasn't a birthday present. That was a present for us.
Was it?
Yeah. To keep things in order.
Did you see the disappear?
Yeah.
I'm hot.
Well, turn off the heater.
Well.
She got up in bed to go get something real quick, and she looked at me and she went, sneer, sneer. Yeah, with her fingers like this, sneer. I thought it was so cute. He's there, right there. And she loves Diego and SpongeBob. Oh. She said that duck thing her Aunt Maggie got her since she was 1.
Who?
That duck thing came with the... Okay.
The bear.
Yeah, with the bear. Careful, sweetheart. She uses it as a seat now and watches TV.
Right.
Which that is our old TV that used to be in our house, but we're not using it because your dad has a big TV, so she inherited it for now. And SpongeBob came from her uncle, Ofer. I wonder whose fox that is. I don't like that thing. Why don't you take it back already?
Why?